Hey everyone! Today I want to show you a game changer for my study routine. I've been experimenting with Gemini, and it has completely transformed how I take notes. Transition, screen recording or shot of you typing the prompt. Gemini is such a powerful tool for learning. You don't need to spend hours scrolling through heavy textbooks. I simply asked for detailed, colorful notes on wave optics, and look at what it produced. Huygens principle, YDSE, polarization. It breaks down the most difficult concepts, like interference and diffraction, into easy-to-understand explanations with clear visuals. Whether you need a quick summary or a deep dive into formulas like Brewster's Law, it's all right there. If you're looking for a way to make your study sessions more efficient and way more organized, you have to try this out.